Hello guys, we are back with another video. So today I want to talk about Coinbase and also MSTY, maybe, I don't know, Mr. MicroStrategy, whatever that thing is called. So as you can see, 16% down, which is a lot. This is after earnings, so earnings can do this and it can do it with the upside too. So this is concerning all the YieldMax bros, the guys who are holding CONY and the MSTYs. I don't hold any of these. I don't trust the monthly ones. I go for the weekly ones, but even with the weekly ones, I'm still cautious. So as you can see, 16.67% down. This thing just got wrecked, all right? And that's a lot in one day, all right? And you can see CONY, same thing, $7.32. Yeah, that's a big yikes. But guess what? I think if this could go more lower, because the indicator I use is that's where I want to buy a bottom. Like, I don't see this as a bottom because the chart doesn't show it to me. So I'll show you the chart real quick. So here it is on TradingView. Oh my crap. All right. As you can see, it's not even here. That's the point. I use the daily chart because that's where it's at. As you can see, these were the levels where you want to see the buys, all right, with the 30 RSI. We're not even close to that, and most people got red, which is kind of scary, especially with the YieldMax ones. Those are even worse because they keep going down and down, and a lot of people are scared because of that. So I'm not saying the market will go down even more or going up. I don't even know. No one even knows. And this indicator is just an indicator to just buy dips. Like, I use it to buy like some dollar cost average into good dips for my long-term holds. That's it. Like, for day trading, I use it here and there, but like on the 5-minute chart, I just get it on a day trade and then sell it at a little profit, something like that. So it's not like a working thing. It don't work 100%. It just gives you a good bottom. So as you can see, this is the coin chart. So that's the coin one. I'll show the CONY. See, CONY is not even there. I didn't even check this. CONY is not even there. So it could go there if it goes lower. So I'm not surprised. Right now the RSI is at the level where I want it to be, but it's not over here. So let me check on MSTY. MSTY is getting near there, but again, I don't use the MSTY chart. I'll use the Mr. one. All right, so the Mr. one, same thing. Hasn't even reached the RSI there and hasn't even gone in between there. So that's the MicroStrategy one. Again, if we go lower, which I won't be surprised if we go lower, but again, I don't know. So you just got to be cautious, everyone who's holding it, because if you bought in those freaking highs, this is why on YieldMax, I don't really want to buy highs, all right? Same like with Alti, I am cautioned about that. That's why I did some videos like warning, because we are freaking high and YieldMax tends to get wrecked even a lot more because the thing is not going to recover, all right? It's not going to recover. Unless we move fast and really quick at a short period of time, then yeah, I could recover. But that's like less likely. So this is the video I want to share. I'll show you an example of like UNH. This is a stock that just keeps getting rocked and rocked. So it will tell you to buy some here, actually here. So you would have bought it at what, 250s, right? So that would have been a good price, but guess what? It went down there again. So let me see, right here, another one at 250s again. So again, it's not a good, it just shows best possible bottoms. It won't get the perfect down dip. So UNH is one that a lot of people say buy, but again, it's a macro. I mean, it's a thing. You have to know the context, what's happening and all that. I used to own this stock, but not anymore. I owned it before, that incident happened. And I don't know. So a weekly chart would do good with this. So weekly dips are better on this. So you would have bought it like what, 290s? Maybe not. So, but weekly charts tend to, do better. Because if you go, I know this is not the video you guys want, but I'm just showing example, whatever. So look, the last time it did an indicator that UNH had an indicator like that was 2008 at 14 something. So that's a result of history thing. So that weekly charts is so much more rare to hit these indicators. So yeah, daily chart is pretty often because it's daily, but weekly chart is more rare. So yeah, thank you guys for this video, or thank you guys for watching this video. I can't even talk. So again, if you're a YieldMax holder, be aware, but this is not financial advice. It's not. I'm just a little kid. So thank you guys for watching.